This boat is equipped with a 5 kW Fisher Panda diesel generator. Please keep in mind that 5 kilowatts was the proper amount of power for the equipment installed when the boat was ordered and built. There's an in-depth owner's manual for the Fisher Panda generator included in your owner's packet. Please review it for operation of the generator and all of its safety features. For the generator to operate properly, it will need to have a constant supply of raw water. That supply of raw water will come through a C-valve that is located in the center aft bilge. The hose that takes the water from the C-valve to the generator also has a raw water strainer installed in it. Both the C-valve and raw water strainer located in the center aft bilge need to be clear of any obstructions. The very first step of operating your generator properly and safely is to turn on the generator blower. There's a switch located just after the refrigerator inside the doorway that leads out into the cockpit. This blower will evacuate any gasoline fumes that may be in the bilges. It's good to let it run for at least 5 minutes before starting the generator and throughout the time that you're running the generator. Now let me give you the basics of the operation of your generator. The very first step that you need to follow is to make sure that your generator breaker on your shore power panel is in the off position. After that, you'll go to the Fisher Panda supplied P4 panel. You can energize the generator system by pushing the power button. After that, you'll be able to start it. I always like to let the generator run for a minute or so before I start to use appliances that are connected to it. So after that minute or so has elapsed, you'll simply press the generator breaker to the on position, and you'll see that you have voltage on the AC volt panel that's above the switches on the panel. After you've energized the main breaker for the generator, you'll be able to begin using the appliances that are installed on the boat. When you're through using your generator, you'll simply follow the opposite of the procedure you used to turn it on. You'll first switch off all the accessories that you've selected. Next, you'll turn off the generator main power breaker. Now you're ready to head to your Fisher Panda control panel. Let it run for that extra minute so that the system can cool down before you actually turn off the generator. Once you've done that, you can press the stop button to turn off the system. Please keep in mind that the generator and house loads are both connected to the same battery. These switches must both be in the on position to operate the generator.